inside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house.
What's up, y'all? It's Monica Lauren. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And it's currently 5:24 Thursday. And yeah, let me tell you everything that today. So y'all remember my last video I said I was gonna clean out the closet and record? Well, I cleaned it out, but I did not record because I know me doing that and recording it was just gonna take too long. I wish I could have recorded, but I didn't. So I cleaned out my closet. I cleaned out this a little bit. I need to throw that beer away. I don't know why I'm procrastinating and not throwing it away, but I need to throw it away. Let me show y'all the closet. No, this is the closet. I threw a whole bunch of clothes away, but I put these in here. This is like some of these at the bottom is the winter clothes, like jackets and long pants and long shirts. I put it right there because of course we don't need it right now because it's hot. And I got some more clothes in here. Then they each got their own drawer. And I just put this right here because it has hangers. And they also wearing this tomorrow when they go to their dad's house, my kids. So yeah. And the kids are with my sister because they getting their hair done. As y'all know, I do not know how to braid hair, so I send them to my sister and she does it. But I just ate some pizza and I'm hot, and I've been cleaning this room all day. It literally took me like 3 or 4 hours. Well, it felt like all day. So I don't know, I'll probably take a nap, probably not, because 5:30. So if I take a nap right now, I'm probably gonna be up all night and I'm not gonna want that. So, and why do it look dark? But y'all peep the skin glowing. I'm just kidding. But oh yeah, y'all, so I also washed my hair today and I use, what is that? I think it's called Mielle or something like that. M-I-E-L-L-E hair products. It's alright. I had got the, it was like I got the foam and like the curling something. I was supposed to get the custard, but they have ran out at the store, so I didn't get that. But these how the curls looking. That's why they probably don't look that best because I don't have no gel in my hair to actually hold the curls. So yeah, y'all, ain't nothing really going on much on today. Just been cleaning and stuff. And yeah. What time is it, y'all? Y'all, it's like 7 something, right? And they just be gossiping about people. I'm gonna tell them too. Ooh, I had to come outside and throw these Pringles away. But it felt good out here, even though Cali been kind of, ow, Cali weather been kind of bipolar. Y'all, this bag right here full of clothes that I got in my closet that my kids can't fit or I can't fit. I was gonna give them to like Salvation Army, but then I don't know because it is new clothes in here too. With tags on it for my kids, except that they never even wore, that they grew out. But I don't know how to do that because I don't have a car to take it down there to them. So yeah, so I'm just gonna throw it away. I'm sorry, I know there's people that need clothes and stuff. I'm sorry, but look at, oh, that's why it was freaking biting me. You know, look at all these ants. Y'all see them? I was walking to the trash can. I was like, why the fuck is there something biting me or something? Freaking weird. I'm about to spray them. It feels good out here though. Imagine like sitting out here talking to somebody, even though I don't have no friends, but a girl can think. I need to spray these ants though. Come on now. Ooh, something went in my eye. look at that goddamn dog. But I'm spraying these ants. Ants! A whole bunch of red ants. Ooh, the girls is here, y'all. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, my dad went to go pick them up from my sister's house.
Hey.
Y'all went to McDonald's?
I got you something.
Yeah, let me know when you go back so I can
You got them right here, Ava. Bring your food over here.
Mom,
What?
we ate pizza. We ate ice face. We ate pizza and we shrugged juices. Then we ate hot dogs. Then we ate waffles and pancakes.
For real?
Come on.
What's your phone?
Huh?
Who's it?
Go, hurry up and eat because you want to take a bath.
Where's the bathroom?
I'm in the bathroom.
I'm about to go pee.
They go pee.
Go pee in my room.
What's in the bathroom?
Open this way. Open it.
You know what this is? The Little Mermaid.
Is it?
Is it good, Brian?
Mama. Look at this shit. That's it. Ooh, what?
Look at these are apples.
Oh, what's apples?
Okay.
Nice.
I know, left it in there.
Yeah, I got apples.
You gonna eat the apple too?
This is ain't no mommy. Why the face like? This ain't no mommy. Why the face like it?
It's good.
This is ain't no mommy. Why the
Who bought
face
it?
like this? Oh.
Who bought that?
Papa talking to you.
Who bought it? Who paid for that? You owe me $10.
That was not. That's a good dollar.
Give me my food back, dude.
You gonna get Papa $10 for the food?
Yeah.
You was hungry?
Yeah.
Well, you always hungry. Yeah. Where your other shoe at? You left it in the car?
Yeah.
Did you? Let me get it. Let me put my car in.
Ooh. Hurry up and eat.
Mom, eat all my food.
We'll eat all of it. Did I tell Papa thank you? Where the water at? You can hear her.
Yeah.
It hurt?
But back there, sure.
Mm-hmm. What y'all do at Jennifer House? Tell the camera.
We ate pizza, icy. We ate pizza, icy.
Did y'all ever go to the park?
No.
Y'all didn't go to the park?
No.
Why?
You see balls?
Ooh, I'm telling her.
No, you be not even in that car.
You don't even know what that is. Eat your food.
You about to lose your job. I said you about to lose your job.
Talked about.
Sponsor us. Sponsor us. They're the best of the best. I wouldn't even fucking know. I ain't plugged it up. Don't know if it work or not, but we're gonna rock with it, huh?
That's the first thing you gonna do when you get home, huh?
Nope.
Mess with that shit. Yes, yeah.
After she eats.
Because I can't reach up there.
It didn't make the living room look hard because of the light.
You want me to open it?
You gonna stay outside? You wanna get the eagle?
No, yeah, but oh! What? Who wanted those apples? Me. Stop. Here. So how was y'all day today?
Yes. Best.
That's good. I've been acting brand new. They really ran through 500 before I ever tried to. Let me pop off. Yeah.
She can't dance.
Feel like Charlie Lowe smoking on you. LSU. Okay, y'all. It's the next day, and the girls are leaving with their dad. They got all these snacks.
Let me hold it.
Y'all ready to go?
Who wanna hold the bag? I wanna hold that.
Look at all these groceries I gotta put up. The struggle. What's up, y'all? So it's hours later, and I'm about to hop in the shower because I'm hot and I'm sweaty, and I don't like that. So I'm about to hop in the shower, do something to my hair, and I'm also about to cook some fish, some shrimp, and some fries. I'm also vlog that. But as of right now, I'm about to go get in the shower. I'll see y'all when I get out the shower. Okay, y'all, so I just got out the shower. I did my hair a little bit. I did my face skin routine, and this is what I'm wearing. I got this white crop top shirt on. This is from Shein, and these black and white shorts from Walmart. And yeah, that's the fit for today. And today is also Friday, if I didn't tell y'all. So yeah, I'm about to go start prepping this fish, but I'm gonna fast forward to it. I'm not gonna talk because my family is in there playing music, and I do not want to get copyrighted. So I'm just letting y'all know I'm gonna just speed through it a little bit, and I'm not gonna talk. So yeah, y'all see me the next clip getting the fish prepared, and I'm also cooking the fish outside. Get some fresh air, so I'm just gonna cook it outside. So yeah, I see y'all when I'm prepping the fish, seasoning and that stuff.
Whatever thing, trust me, girl, this shit is everything. She from the jungle, she from the jungle. I take somebody else's car, try that undercover. This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything. Don't know where we stand. I used to hit you about everything. Oh, he's still good.
I finally play music, but I just put the fish in, and I'm just outside. I'm gonna stay outside because you actually feel good out here. It's not even hot or nothing. So yeah, yeah, enjoy me cooking. We gon' let them do the show and then we rock some. 40 real
King Tut, I go up with these balls in my butts, and my bitch always catch a nut, double D's, pushing all the beans up, hey, this that big old rag, she say one way street,
Matthew said go.
Who did?
The lady. She shook her hand like, oh, you got them ribs, bro. They probably stole them all.
Right. They ate all of it, but there we go. Fish, shrimp, and fries. Especially not by no bitch. Like no other. This is for your mother, your father, your sister, brother. And this is how it flows. We doing fireworks. What's up, y'all? It feels good out here. A big bang? You give me anxiety with that. Oh yeah, y'all. The food was delicious. We killed that. The food was delicioso. This nigga didn't let off somebody's alarm. Booka! Woohoo! Hey, that car perfectly.
I bought these for the girls.
You should let me video chat it when you put them on.
I know.
This is the last one. Damn. Okay, y'all, so my brother said he got a good one, a better one. Let's see if it's hitting, mama. If it's not and you waste my time, I'll be very disappointed.
There you go.
Because I could have been laying in bed watching Honey. There you go. Make sure if y'all want some lit fireworks, make sure y'all come to our house on 4th of July because we're gonna have a crack it. We're gonna give you a good show. Well, what's up, y'all? So it's the next day, Saturday, 11:43 in the morning, and I just woke up. I woke up like at 10 something. Because last night I literally was just, what was I doing? I was playing Sims. Last night I was playing Sims till I don't know what time, and I ended up falling asleep. I think I'm about to get ready for the day. I don't know. I'm not for sure yet, but I'll get back to y'all when I'm getting ready. What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? So I just got out the shower and did my hair and stuff and got ready for the day. I got on this 2-piece sweat set suit from Walmart. Now, y'all wonder, I'm also washing my sheets and I'm also about to eat some taquitos. I'm washing my sheets and I'm about to eat some taquitos. And yeah, I told you I thought I didn't eat it because I haven't eaten nothing all day and I'm starving. So okay, yeah, so I didn't show y'all my full outfit, but here's my outfit. Don't mind the back rolls. This is my 2-piece outfit from Walmart. Y'all is sleeping on Walmart. Walmart got some nice stuff online. Y'all need to head up to Walmart and get y'all some 2-piece outfits or some cute clothes because Walmart got some cute clothes. I'm out of breath. For what? Well, I just put my cover and my sheets on my bed. That's probably why, but.
Is the camera on?
Yeah. We're recording, so we're live, right?
Fantasizing, we got a lot of time. Maybe can go to bed, get in the body shower, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know more.
What's good, nigga? You feel me, nigga? Welcome to the MTV cribs, nigga. Right now we got my nigga, and then she got, you already know she got the scooter. Y'all know the vibe, she got the scooter. She ugly as fuck. Nobody want to see her, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give it back to her, though. Shut this gate.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was scared to ride this scooter. This is my first time riding it. I thought it was gonna fall off. So it wasn't that bad. It goes hella fast. Okay, yeah, so it's 8:30. And I haven't been doing nothing literally. It's just after I rode the scooter, I came into bed, watched a movie. That was about it. Because I don't do nothing. And that's really, really sad. Like, I wish I had some friends or something. But then I don't want no friends because friends be fake. And I don't know. I feel like these niggas don't want to take us on a date, don't want to go to the movies, go out to eat or nothing like that. Like, I don't understand the point of that. Like, these niggas don't want to be in love. Like, who doesn't want to be in love and get married? Like, I want to be in love. I want to be in a relationship. I'm not saying right now, but I can make my way up there. But I'm just not about to, you know, talk to somebody or hang around with somebody and not have no title for a certain amount of time. Like, I feel like that's kind of childish and like you wasting that person's time. I just don't understand these guys these days. I wish they can do better. Right now, I'm about to change my clothes into some pajamas that I got from Walmart. Like I said earlier, y'all sleeping on Walmart. Shorts and this shirt that match. Excuse me. This shirt that match. That's his Rise and Shine. Over, I'm gonna put those on right now. I don't know what's going on for the rest of the night. I don't know, but I see y'all when I see y'all, because I'm really not in the mood right now, and I don't understand.